A demo to introduce how to refurbish the iPhone 14 Pro screen. Let's take a screen with minor flaws to introduce the main process. Except for the line, all other function works fine. Place the screen into the laser machine. The cold laser will burn the OCA glue underneath the glass lens. Test to check. The laser has no damage to the screen display. Then, place the screen on the heating platform to preheat. Apply alcohol and use the blade knife to remove the bezel carefully. Be careful when removing the flex cable area bezel. Use the electric roller to remove the excessive glue. Next, insert the cutting wire to separate the glass lens. The OLED was separated successfully. Continue to remove the OCA from the screen. Then, clean the residual OCA with alcohol and N-hexane. Align the OLED on the mold. Then, apply a new glass lens to the screen surface precisely. Place the screen onto the lamination mold. Put into the lamination and debubbler machine. The lamination is smooth, with no bubbles at all. Test again, the display and touch are working fine. This demo is for your reference. Visit our online school to learn more detailed refurbishment skills.